This is the Thriving Garden Academy, and this is what you get for just £15 a month. Seasonal inspiration for your garden, beautiful plant collections, and practical courses to help you feel confident with your garden. So come with me and I'll show you inside. So that is a sneak peek at the Thriving Garden Academy. It's where you can find out exactly what to focus on each season, discover beautiful planting combinations that actually work, and learn at your own pace with my practical, easy to follow courses. And because it's a membership, the library keeps growing with resources and seasonal inspiration added throughout the year. It's £15 a month. You can leave whenever you want. The link's in my bio if you want to have a look. Bye for now.